Hello students, I Mrs. Dorothy Timothy welcome you all to our English class. Children, today we are going to learn one of the important topic from writing skill, that is letter writing. Letter writing is broadly categorized into two types, namely formal letter and informal letter. आज हम एसएससी बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि 5 मार्क्स का है। वो है लेटर राइटिंग। दिस इज़ वेरी स्कोरिंग क्वेश्चन। आप इसमें फुल मार्क्स भी ले सकते हैं अगर आप इसका फॉर्मेट सही तरीके से फॉलो करेंगे। नाउ व्हाट इज़ लेटर राइटिंग? लेटर राइटिंग यानी क्या बच्चों? ध्यान से सुनेंगे। Letter writing is an important channel of communication between two people who are geographically distant from one another. In earlier times, when the telephone and email were not available, the only means of communication between people was through letters. Letter writing is a skill that has to be developed. In general, there are two types of letters: formal, that are written to convey official business information; informal, which are personal letters to communicate with friends and family. We have to follow a specific format while writing a letter. There are different formats for both formal and informal letters. Let us see informal letter and how to attempt this question. This question involves writing letters to friends and relatives. For this question, you have to give only your address, the date, and the salutation, that is, my dear, dear, etc. The language used for such letters is casual, informal, and friendly. Study the topic on which you have to write the letter carefully. You will be given ads, webs, news lines, or some pictorial information as guidelines. Write about 2 or 3 paragraphs giving the required information. And lastly, finish up with the subscription, your loving, yours affectionately, etc. Now, informal letter, general format and marking scheme. Now, sender's address, pin code, date, these carry half mark. Salutation, that is, my dear, dear, etc., half mark. Body of the letter in 3 or 4 paragraphs, that carries 2.5 marks. Subscription, that is complimentary clause like yours affectionately, yours lovingly, your loving friend, etc. It carries half mark. And your name also it includes. Then proper use of grammar, that carries 1 mark. Now, one example has been given to you. You are Priya, a resident of 52A DDA Flats, Preet Vihar, New Delhi. You have recently learned that your cousin has been regularly missing his classes. Write a letter to your brother telling him about the importance of attending classes regularly. Now, see, I have given you the answer. 52A DDA Flats, Preet Vihar, New Delhi, 110064. This is writer's address. Then leave one line. After that, you write down date in correct format. Then again you leave one line and then salutation, that is, dear ABC or any name of your brother. then the letter, body of the letter, and lastly your sister, that is subscription, and the name of the writers. Now, formal letter, how to attempt? This question, writing letters to officials, editors, heads of commercial or educational establishments, etc. Two addresses are required for this type of letter. One is in your own and the other is the address of the person you are writing to. The subject of the letter, that is the main topic of the letter, must be written in brief. The salutation has to be very formal. For example, respected sir, madam, etc. End off with respectful subscriptions such as yours faithfully, yours sincerely, or yours truly, etc. Now, formal letter, general format and marking scheme of the formal letter. Sender's address, then pin code, date, it carries half mark. Then name, designation and address of the recipient, it carries half mark. Subject, a phrase about the general content of the letter. Then reference, referring to letter previously received or advertisement, etc. Salutation, that is dear madam or sir or simply madam or sir, it carries half mark. Then body of the letter, it should be in 3 or 4 paragraphs. It carries 2 marks. Subscription, that is complimentary clause like yours faithfully, yours truly, etc. It carries half mark. Then name of the sender also it includes. Then correct use of grammar carries 1 mark. I have also given you the format of marking scheme of the formal letter. You can go through it. Now, assignment. The advertisement is given to you and you have to write letter. Imagine that you are Manas or Samiksha Ram Jadhav, flat number 102, Ganesh Nagar, Usmanabad. Write any one of the following letters. A1. Formal letter. Write a letter to your school headmaster informing him about the event and requesting to let the students of your school participate in the event. A2. Informal letter. Write a letter to your brother or sister who is fond of singing. Tell him or her about the upcoming auditions. Use the points given in the above advertisement. You may add your own points also. You have to write these 2 letters in your English notebook and also take down all the notes that is important. Write it in your English notebook. Thank you.